My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called OOZA. OOZA is a ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video though is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. So before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This OOZA ransomware encrypts files and also appends the OOZA extension to the file names, and as a result it's impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware, OOZA, with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove this ransomware. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program would begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But first of all, it would update its anti-malware database. Now, let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. But it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So we recommend you to upgrade to Premium to remove this ransomware. You can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. As for file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.